Can you all see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let me give a short recap about our yesterday's class. This piano, SAP reference IMG, here global tech services, general settings. So in general settings, we created a legal regulation for embargo. So first step is creation of legal regulation. So here we will define the legal regulation. Our legal regulations ZEMBN is our legal regulation. So here you can see this is a legal regulation and description and type of legal code. So based on the legal code only, our system will come to know for what model this legal regulation has been created. And I have informed them that this legal regulation should be applicable for both import and export. And this is the deadline types, valid from valid to. Okay, and after that, we define the determination procedure for legal regulation. So our determination procedure is ZEEMB. So this is the determination procedure. So here you can see this is the determination procedure and this is the description. And here we have activated the condition. So here we inform system that system should determine the legal definition based on the country level. So this country level will act as a deposit country for export, and the same country level will act as a destination country for import. Okay, now the next step. The next step, we have activated the country to our legal regulation. ZEMBN is our legal regulation. So here you can see I'm going to activate the country. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Germany, India, Netherlands, Singapore, US. So these are the countries I have activated under this legal regulation. Which means during export, if I'm going to during export, if any of the order is getting deposited from any of this country, the system will determine this legal regulation. And during import, when I'm going to import a product to any of this country, then system will determine this legal regulation for embargo. This is what we discussed yesterday. So now here we created the legal regulation. Now let's move into the application area. Compliance management. You can see embargo check. Expand this. So the configuration is very simple. Only 3 settings. All these 3 settings are very easiest one. Let's see. First one, assign determination procedure for active legal regulation. So in the previous step, here we define the determination procedure, right? So here you can see here we define the determination procedure. ZEMB. So like this, here we have multiple determination procedure. ZEMB, and here you can see LESPL, this is for SPL, and this is for legal control. This is for customs management. So here we have multiple determination procedures of that. So as a human, as a consultant, I know that, okay, by seeing this description, I may know, okay, I will come to know, okay, this is the determination procedure created for embargo. But how does system know? So here we have multiple determination procedure. How does system know which determination procedure is for embargo? So here, in this step, under the application area, embargo check, here you can see the very first step is assign determination procedure for active legal regulation. So here we are going to assign the determination procedure which we created for embargo. So what is the determination procedure we created for embargo? That is ZEEMB. ZEEMB. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. By assigning this determination procedure in the application area, now system will come to know, okay, this is our determination procedure for embargo. So here I assigned the determination procedure. So here for embargo, the determination procedure is ZEEMB. I have assigned that in the embargo application. That's all. First step is done. So in the previous step, in the yesterday's step, we defined the retention procedure. Here in the application area under embargo, we have assigned that determination procedure. So based on that, system will come to know, okay, what is our determination procedure for our application area. So by this step, system will come to know the determination procedure for embargo is ZEMB. So from now onwards, it will follow the conditions which is mentioned in the determination procedure. So what is the condition mentioned in the determination procedure? That is, system should determine the legal direction based on the country level. Okay, so here the first of the step.
So I see, I don't see any other option in that. So is there only one determination procedure for embargo in the
Yeah,
system?
yes, see, we are going to create only one legal regulation for embargo and we are going to create only one determination procedure for embargo. Okay, see, in the previous
Okay,
step, in the general settings, we just defined it. We just defined.
I
I
know, I
mean, we
know.
have just
Yeah,
okay.
but
So
yeah.
in this
Once you
step, the application
define,
level,
you can have only one embargo for the system.
yeah. Yes,
Okay.
right. So now I have assigned the determination procedure to the embargo application. Okay, now activate legal regulation. So we all know that what is our legal regulation? Our legal regulation is ZEMBM. Okay. Now the same step, whatever the step we performed yesterday under legal regulation, we are going to perform the same step here, but with a small difference. So my legal regulation here is ZEMBN. This is my legal regulation for embargo. And we have activated the embargo on the country level, right? So I'm going to use country level. Here you can see in the previous step, we just defined the countries Germany, India, US, Netherlands, and Singapore. Now, here we are going to activate embargo for this country based on the process. Please pay attention. In the previous step, in the yesterday step, we just activated the country under the legal regulation. Here in the application area, we are going to tell system that how system should perform an embargo check. We are going to tell system that for what are the process. We have two processes, import and export. So we are going to tell system that whether system should activate embargo for both import and export for all these countries or only for export or import. So in the previous step, in the yesterday step, we have just activated the country. Now here we are going to activate the process for the country. So here we have two processes. One is import and export. So let's say I want system to perform embargo check only for the export process, not for the import process. Which means whenever I create a sales order, if the sales order is, whenever I'm going to create a sales order, which means whenever I'm going to export any product from Germany to any other country, then I would like to have the embargo screening export. At the same time, when I'm going to import anything into Germany, that time I don't want to have the embargo screening. So if you come across a situation, what you have to do, you have to keep it as not active for import and active for embargo. So this is the embargo import and this is embargo export. Okay, so here I'm going to active for export. So if I open this box, here you can see there are multiple options: dispatch, export, excluding domestic, and dispatch export, including domestic. So what do you mean by dispatch? We already discussed. So if you are going to send anything from one European country to another European country, that will be called as a dispatch. Which means when you export anything within the European country, that will be called as a dispatch. Okay, and this dispatch will come into picture only for the European Union. Here, if I keep on dispatch, which means system will perform embargo check only for the dispatch process. Which means if I'm going to export anything from Germany to other European country, then only system will perform this embargo check. If I'm going to export anything from Germany to other countries like US, India, the system will not perform. Why? Because so here I have given us dispatch. So dispatch means system will perform embargo check only for the dispatch orders. Dispatch means within the European country, if you export anything, that will be called as a dispatch. But if I keep it as export, now system will perform the embargo check only for the exports, which means if I create an order from Germany to Netherlands, system will not perform the embargo check. Why? Because Germany to Netherlands will fall under the dispatch. But if I create order from Germany to US, then system will perform the embargo check. Why? Because here I activate export. Show here. This is dispatch. So if I activated dispatch here, okay, if I activated Germany for dispatch first, what would happen? System will perform embargo check only for Germany to Netherlands or Germany to other European unions. Okay, system will perform embargo check only for this European related orders. When you create an order within the European Union, then system will perform embargo check. It is called dispatch. But if you keep export, only export, if you change the configuration to export, what system will do? System will perform the embargo check only for export. Export means, say for example, here I have two orders. One is DE to Netherlands and DE to US, which means Germany to Netherlands and Germany to US. If you activate it only as export, what system will do? System will perform embargo check only for this order, not for this order. Why? Because DE and Netherlands will consider as a dispatch. This is not an actual export. This is a dispatch order. So here the actual export is DE to US. Which means if you activate only export, the system will perform embargo check only for the export orders. This Germany to outside European Union. But I have a requirement that I want system to screen both the dispatch and export orders. Which means if I'm going to export the goods from Germany to other European countries, also I want to export the goods from Germany to other outside of European countries. In both cases, I want system to perform embargo check. In that case, what you have to do, you have to keep the configuration as dispatch export. So here I have activated as dispatch export. So if you keep dispatch and export, what system will do? System will perform the embargo screening for both the dispatch orders and also for the export orders. Clear? Which means system will perform the embargo screening for Germany to Netherlands, also Germany to US. Clear? Any doubts? Guys, any doubts?
So can you drop down is one of the options for everything?
Yeah, I will explain. This is dispatch and this is the export and this dispatch export. Any doubts so far for anyone?
Okay, got it.
Rahul Bharat, any doubts?
Clear, Arun.
Okay. Now I have a requirement that I want system to perform an embargo check for domestic order also. Let's say my order is going from let's say my order is going from Hamburg to Frankfurt. These two are the places inside Germany. Okay, I'm in Hamburg. I'm going to dispatch the order to Frankfurt. Frankfurt is from the same Germany. So Frankfurt is located in Germany. Okay, so if you, I would like to have screening for the domestic order also. So in that case, what you have to do, you can simply keep the configuration as including domestic. If you keep including domestic, system will perform embargo check for domestic order also. Clear? It's clear.
Clear, Arun.
Is it from your side or from anyone?
Sorry.
Actually, I see some background noise.
Is that your fan? Or I think
Okay. Now,
Yeah, it's fine now.
fine.
Now it's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So here I have activated Germany for both import and export process. Sorry, I have activated Germany for dispatch, export, including domestic. And similarly, I'm going to activate India for dispatch export, Netherlands for dispatch export, and Singapore for dispatch export, and US for dispatch export. And please keep it in mind, this dispatch will come into picture only for the European Union. For India, US, Singapore, this dispatch will not be used. This dispatch will be used only for the European countries like Netherlands and Germany. Okay, so I have recommended that I want system to perform an embargo check only for the export orders. For import orders, I don't want system to perform the embargo check. So what I will do, I will simply keep not activated for import and I will activate for export like this. Okay, now after some time, later some time, I'm getting a request from my business saying that they would like to have embargo screening for import process also for the country Germany, which means whenever when they are going to import anything into Germany, then they would like to have the embargo screening. So in that case, what I will do, I will activate the embargo screening for import. So here again import, here you can see receipt import, receipt import, receipt import including domestic. So receipt is something about arrival. So yesterday we discussed, right? So when you're going to import anything within the European Union, that will be called as a receipt. When you're doing a normal import, that will be called as a normal import. So I'm going to keep it as receipt import including domestic. Okay, so here we have option as receipt. If you keep only receipt, the system will perform the embargo screening only for the receipts, which means whenever you import anything within the European Union, then only system will perform the embargo screening. But if you keep import, system will perform the embargo screening for the import orders. So import means outside of Germany into Germany, from like US to Germany. So in that case, it will be called as import. For example, if you import anything from Netherlands to Germany, the system will not perform the embargo screening. Why? Because here we have activated as import. If you want system to perform embargo for the local orders, like European orders, then you can keep it as receipt import. So then by this system will create embargo for both orders or imports within the European Union, outside of European Union. So now I'm going to keep it as receipt import including domestic. So which means what? So out of 5 countries, I have activated both import and export only for Germany. And later sometime they will tell, okay, I would like to have embargo screening for the import orders for the country India. So what you will do, you will simply activate this one. So like this, you can activate all the countries. So based on the requirement, you can activate it. And that's all about the second step. So in the yesterday step, we just add the countries. We have added the country to the legal definition. But in the today's step, we have activated the countries for the embargo check based on the process. Okay, that's the difference. So in the yesterday step, we just added the country. In today's configuration, we just activated the embargo check based on the process. Okay, and that's all about it. That's all about the second step. And this is the final step of final configuration in the embargo. Control setting of embargo check. Execute this. So what is your legal definition? My legal definition is ZEMBN. This is my legal definition. The configuration is very simple. Open this. We are going to add the partner group of import and export. So here we have a concept called partner group. What do you mean by partner group? For each and every applications in the GTS system, we are going to have a partner group. Like for embargo, or embargo, SPL, legal control, customs, preference, interest app. For all this application in the SAP GTS system, we are going to have a partner group. So what is the purpose of this partner group? Let me explain. Okay, so the partner group for embargo is PGEMB. PGEMB. PGEMB one is for import and PGEMB 2 is for export. Which means partner group embargo import and partner group embargo export. It's nothing but PGEMB1 and PGEMB2. Okay. Now, so inside this partner group, I'm going to add some partner function. Let's say, so this is the partner group of export. This is the export group. Export, and this is import. Okay. So in the partner group, I'm going to add some partner function. So you all know what is partner function. Sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer. So this is the partner function. Okay, so I have added this partner function, which means you can see I have created a partner group of export for embargo, that is PGEMB2. So under PGEMB2, I have added these many partner functions: sold to party, bill to party, ship to party, and pay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign this PGEMB2 in the configuration. So in the partner group of export, I'm going to assign PGEMB2. See, partner group of export embargo. Okay, I assign. Now, what is the purpose of this configuration? Why here we are adding the partner group? Let's say, you all know what is sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, pay. These are the partner structure. So here we are informing the system that, hey system, you should perform embargo screening only to these partner functions. Only to these partner functions. You should not perform embargo for any other partner functions. Let's say this is a sales order. This is a sales order. So here in sales order, I have these many 4 partner functions. Okay, now let me open the system. I will show you. Click on header and click on partner. See here I have sold to party, bill to party, ship to party, a payer. I have 4 partner functions. Okay, now this is a sales order. The sales order has this 4 partner functions: sold to party, bill to party, ship to party, payer. Okay, now the sold to party, the customer in the sold to party is, let's say, Arun. Customer in the bill to party is again Arun. And customer in the ship to party is, let's say, Rahul. Again, customer in the pair is Rahul. Okay, so here what system will do? System will during embargo screening, system will screen the country of these partner functions only. System will screen countries of this partner function. So here again this partner function, this Arun is there. So system will check what is the country of Arun. Let's say country of Arun is India. Here the country of Arun is India. Country of Rahul is US. Country of Rahul is US. So what system will do? System will take the countries of this partner function and screen against the embargo list. So in the partner group of embargo, I'm going to add some partner functions. So I have added this 4 partner functions, which means system will screen only the country of these 4 partner functions. Let's say in a sales order, I have another partner function, that is ultimate consignee. I have ultimate consignee, and the ultimate consignee name is, let's see, Path. Okay, and he is from Cuba. He is from Cuba. So the country of the ultimate consignee is Cuba. We all know that Cuba is a restricted country. System should put a block, right? If it finds a match, it should put a block. In the embargo list, the GTS embargo list, Cuba country is maintained. Please pay attention, this is very, very important. In the GTS embargo list, Cuba country is maintained. Okay, I have created a sales order. I have created a sales order with this 5 partner function: sold to party, bill to party, ship to party, payer, and ultimate consignee. And for sold to party and bill to party, the country of country of the sold to party and bill to party partner function is India. Country of the ship to party and payer partner function is US. But the country of the ultimate consignee is Cuba. Now, I created a sales order with this 5 partner function. Once the sales order is created, it will come to GTS or screening. Okay, now in GTS, during embargo screening, system will perform. During compliance screening, system will perform the embargo screening. So during embargo, system will take the country of the partner and it will screen those country against the countries in the embargo list. So here, system will not take all the countries. System will take only the country for these 4 partner functions. You consider only the country for these 4 partner functions. Why? Because only these 4 partner functions have added in the PGEMB2. So here I have assigned the PGEMB2 in the configuration, which means during the screening, system will consider only these 4 partner functions. Whatever the partner functions have added under this partner group, only to those partner functions, system will perform the embargo screening. Okay, so under PGEMB2, I have added only these 4 partner functions: sold to party, bill to party, ship to party, pay. So system will perform embargo check only for these 4 partner functions. It will not screen ultimate consignee. Why? Because ultimate consignee has not added here. So during the screening, it will screen India against embargo list and US against embargo list. Since there is no block for India and US, system will release the order. System will release the order. But system should put a block. Why? Because we have a Cuba. It should put a block. But system may not screen Cuba. Why? Because here we haven't added the ultimate consignee. If you want system to screen ultimate consignee, then you have to add ultimate consignee in the partner group, so that system will consider this partner function for screening. So now I have added the partner function ultimate consignee. So now, as part of the embargo screening, system will screen sold to party, bill to party, ship to party, payer, and ultimate consignee. So system is going to take the country of these 5 partner function and it will screen all this country against the countries in the embargo list. So during the screening, this will catch and it will put a block. System will catch this partner function and it will put a block. It will say that, okay, this order is blocked for embargo. Ultimate consignee country as found in the embargo list. So this is how system will put a block. Any doubts for anyone? Guys, any doubts?
Clear.
Okay.
Yeah. For Path and Bharat, for you guys. Okay. Sure. So which means embargo will not blindly screen all the countries. It will screen only whatever the countries or what are the partner functions have maintained in the partner group. Okay. So it will going to screen only these 5 partner functions. So if you add some other partner functions in the sales order, it will not screen. It will screen only to those 5 partner functions. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to create the partner function. And SAP has given a predefined configuration for these partner functions. So here is the partner structure. You go to partner structure. Here you can see different partner group of partner function. So here you can see this this PGEMB1, PGEMB2, and LTD1, LTD2, and SPL1, SPL2. So these are all the predefined configuration that was given by SAP. You don't need to configure anything. In case if you would like to have your own partner group, you can create your own partner group and add this partner function. So I will show you how to add it. So in case your business users or your client would like to go with one partner group, so in that case what you will do, go to new entries. Here you enter Z P EMB 1, which means Z partner EMB. So here, partner group for embargo import. Similarly, I'm going to have another partner group of export, ZPEMB2. So this one is partner group for embargo export. Okay, now I have created these two partner function group. Okay, I have created these two partner function. Two partner group. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the partner function inside this partner group. How to add? Select this and go to click on assign partner function and click on new entries, sequence number 10. Partner function is, let's say, AG. AG means sold to party. Then sequence number 2, WE, ship to party. And 30, third sequence, RE, bill to party. And sequence number 4, RG, payer. So this is how you can add your partner function inside the partner group. Now I have added this partner function into the partner group. So here you can see sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. System will perform the embargo check in this sequence. First it will check the country of sold to party, and then it will check the country of ship to party, and then it will check the country of bill to party, and finally it will check the country of payer. So it will check, it will perform the embargo screening in this sequence. Okay, so now similarly I'm going to add a partner function into the import group. So for import, we are not going to add multiple partner functions. We are going to add only two partner functions. VN vendor and sequence number 20 WN good supplier. Why? Because during import we are going to create the orders to vendor, right? We are going to procure the material from vendor. We are not going to procure the material from sold to party, ship to party. We are going to procure the material from vendor. So here we have to create a partner group of import or partner with the partner function vendor and good supplier. That's it. So here I have created my own group. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign these two groups in the country strings of embargo. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign. What is my legal relation? My legal relation is ZEMVN. So here I'm going to assign the partner group. So it is the standard partner group. If you would like to have a standard partner group, you can go with standard partner group, or else you can add your own partner group. That is ZEMB2, 2 for export, and ZPEMB1 for import. That's all. Any doubts? Any doubts?
Clear.
Okay. Bharat, Sagar, Parth, any doubts?
No doubts. No doubts.
Okay.
Thank you. That's all about the entire configuration embargo. Embargo is completely done. Embargo configuration is completely done now. And here you can see we have one more option, that is email when document. If you activate this, what will happen? Okay, I have a requirement that I would like to receive the email whenever my document is blocked for embargo. It could be a sales order, purchase order, inbound delivery, outbound delivery. I would like to receive a mail whenever my document is blocked for embargo. So if you come across a situation or requirement, you have to simply activate this box. Email when document. If you activate this, the system will trigger an email to the users whenever it is blocked for embargo. So how to do it? Don't be under the impression that simply activate this checkbox, system will send the email. No, you have to perform some other configurations. So here I have activated it. Now what I have to do? I have to go to area menu. This we already discussed during our document types configuration. Okay, go here, scroll down, go to system monitoring. I'm sorry, system communication. So here you can see maintain user groups. We already created a user groups, right? GTS business users. Okay, I'm going to the same group. So this is my user group, which I created last time. GTS underscore business users. This is the group I created. So under this group, I have added these 3 users. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up an email notification, alert to this group. So how to do? Just go back and start. System communication, and here you can see maintain. Notification control for blocked documents. Select this. Go to new entry. So I would like to receive the email for the block documents of embargo from the FTO. Let's go 1000, which means there may be multiple FTOs, multiple company codes are there. But I would like to receive the email notification only when my document is blocked from the company code 1000. So now I will add the FTO down here. So what's my legal revision? My legal revision is ZEMBN. What is the user group? My user group is GTS underscore business users. Okay, now which means if I create a sales order from the company code 1000 and the sales order is on embargo block, the system will trigger the email to these users. If you want to add some other FTOs, simply you can click on next and add your next FTO, FTO underscore 2500, and legal revision ZEMBN, and user group is GTS underscore business users. So which means what? Okay, this FTO is not active. Okay, let's take this FTO. Okay, if I create a sales order for this company code 7777, and if the sales order is on embargo block, the system will trigger the email to these users. See, you can see I have created email notification for these 2 company codes, for this legal regulation and for these 2 users. For this user groups, which means if there may be multiple company codes, but the system will send an email only when the sales order or any outbound delivery is created under these 2 FTOs, or 2 company codes 1000 and 777. And if those sales order is on SPL block under this legal regulation, the system will send the email to the user. Clear? Guys, clear? Any doubts?
Clear.
Yeah, all set.
Okay, thank you. And that's all about the entire embargo configuration. And tomorrow we are going to maintain the master data for embargo, like how to maintain the countries, how to activate the countries for embargo. Everything we'll discuss tomorrow. And this configuration we'll discuss tomorrow, so that you will understand this. So the configuration of embargo is very simple. And this is the easiest configuration in the entire SAP GTS. Okay. So here, let me give a small recap. And in yesterday's class, we defined the legal regulation and we defined the retribution procedure, and we added some countries to the legal regulation. In today's configuration, what we did, we assigned the retribution procedure under the embargo application. So in the previous step, in yesterday's configuration, we just introduced the embargo, and we just introduced the retribution procedure, but we didn't tell system that this retribution procedure is going to use for which application. We didn't tell that. But today's configuration, we informed system that, hey system, this is the retribution procedure for embargo application. So under embargo application, I have assigned that retribution procedure. And the second step, we have activated the embargo check for the countries, which means yesterday we just activated the country under the embargo application, embargo legal regulation, right? So under this legal regulation, we have activated the country. But in today's configuration, we have activated the embargo check based on the process. Okay, so for Germany, do you want system to perform embargo for both import and export, or only for export? So you can configure that. So I want system to perform both I want system to perform embargo screening for both import and export for the country Germany. So I have activated check receipt import and check dispatch export. If you don't want to perform an embargo check during import in Germany, you can simply click on not activated. If you want, just click on this import receipt. Like this, I have activated for all the countries. And then the final configuration is control settings. So in the control settings, simple, we just added the partner group against our legal regulation. Our legal regulation is ZEMBN. Okay, so here I have added the partner group. So here my partner group of import is ZPEMB1 and partner group of export is ZPEMB2. So which means system will perform the embargo screening. System will perform the embargo screening only for the countries. Only for the partner functions, only for these partner functions. What are the partner functions are maintained under this partner group? Only for those partner functions, system will perform the embargo screening. So if you add only 4 partner function here, the system will take only those 4 partner function country and screen against the list of embargo countries. And this is email notification. So if you activate this, system will trigger the email notification to the users. And that's all. And one more step, you have to activate this 2 partner group into the determination procedure. In the general settings, legal regulation, define determination procedure. And here you are going to activate the determination procedure ZEMB. And here you have to activate ZPEMB1 for import and ZPEMB2 for export. That's all about the entire configurations in the embargo application. Okay, we have completed the embargo application configuration. So tomorrow we are going to discuss some real-time scenario, like how system is going to put a block, how to remove the block for embargo, and how to add the countries in the embargo application. So everything we will discuss tomorrow.